Welcome everyone, I'm Mr. R, and this is the Rondinelli Project. This is the final video in my tutorial series of how to produce a fish replica. In the beginning, I mentioned that you need to have a vision of how your work will be displayed once it is complete. In other words, I could picture in my mind how the replica would look once it was done. And this is my vision that came to fruition. Let's take a look at session number 8, displaying your work, the big reveal. That's what I came up with based on what I visualized. I didn't include completing the minnows in my tutorials. I did those after I completed the crappie. Big fish or small, it doesn't matter. The techniques are the same. You are only limited by your imagination. If you found something of value or interest, give these videos a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're into that. Finally, I put together a playlist that includes the entire tutorial. Check it out when you have time. Let me know what you think of my fish artistry in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Also, if any of you have attempted a fish replica, I'd love to see your work. Until my next video, I'm Mr. R, and this is the Rondinelli Project. We gone.